Okay.
Oh, you dropped it.
I don't need to see it.
Hey.
If you're gonna color, but quit just messing with the crayon. Made in Malaysia. Crayon. That's their logo. Oh, the logo. Okay, but then you can go for that. Alright, go for that. Yep. Amazing.